In today's video, I'll show you how to delete downloaded videos on Telegram. If your storage is getting full or you just want to clean up, this tutorial is for you, so let's get started. First, let's open the Telegram app on your device and log in if necessary. Now tap on the three horizontal lines or simply go to the settings. Scroll down and tap on data and storage. In the data and storage section, scroll down to storage usage. Here you can see how much space Telegram is using. Tap on manage storage. As you can see, I don't have many things, so I can simply click on clear entire cache. But if you have lots of videos and stuffs, tap on manage storage to see all the downloaded files. You'll see a list of all the media files, including videos. Select the videos you want to delete by tapping on them. After selection, look for the delete option, usually at the bottom or in the menu. Confirm that you want to delete the selected videos. They will be removed from your device and free up some storage. And that's it. You've successfully deleted downloaded videos on Telegram. Keeping your device tidy helps it run smoothly.